Omumakuru gaitu agacenchwire wike hwire tukakworeka embozi y'omushaija Richard Mwesigye kuruga omu kyaro kya Kihara omu town council ya Kyarushozi omu district ya Kyenjojo orikugamba kuba ayisire omukazi we akagaruka kamurya.
Era n'okubanga omuntu ali abantu oba musezi ng'ali abantu ng'era omukyalo ono ayafa kyaviidde ku bantu abatuuze abeekengedde omuntu ono nga talabika kumala ng'omwezi gumu n'ekitundu.
N'omwana nk'amaze okumuyala mama w'abaana oyo muzeeyo kugira basiruza bakajja kusanga omuto mulego na polisi yo ati baguhana bugohigi bwangu bune byonake byexuye
abamanteresa nokwenta bamulire atehana byonka imukeraho bavuga icyo naija eka polisi kasanga polisi zile Kyenjojo ngaho no motora guhirembe akabaguhanikira iguru itunguru.
Erizoba Mwesigye yaletwa mu koti ya Kyenjojo kandi omuramuzi Waiswa Babu yamushomera emishango eyi yakozire eyarugirireho kufa kw'omukazi we Lukia Karungi.
That is how have you understood?
Msango wa kutekeleza kuwafunga. Ndio msango wa kufunana kutekeleza.
That your conduct, your actions brought about the death of Lukia Karungi.
Bagamba mukufu bagamba wiwe. Itukwe kwa kwaziro mutaki kaleteza kufa kwa Karungi Lukia.
Precisely that's what they mean. You know Lukia Karungi?
Karungi Lukia mmanyi?
Mukazi wangu. In the month of February.
Mukwezi kwa kabiri.
Yeah, in April, but they say in February.
Omuramuzi hono yazibira Mwesigye kugira eki yagamba ngo habo kuba omushango guri kumujunanwa n'umuhango.
We're not saying that it's okay, but that's the allegation leveled against you. That Lukia Karungi died and you are responsible for her death.
Omuramuzi Babu yasindika Mwesigye aha rumanda okusya ebiro 21 kwa Katano 2026 obwo aragarukye omu koti.
You will be appearing before another court where you will be required to tell court whether you contributed to the events that brought about her death or not.
Mati notakubagana kwa mkote endi kote barakusindikamu ni nyakuno kusoboze niyo oragasubura kugambera musango warawokoze
hona Mwesigye yashabwe kurondaho kumuhorereza ahabo buhango bw'omushango gwe gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.